and welcome to my world. So, do you know that my birthday is on 29th August, which is tomorrow? And I love science. And do you know what I got for my birthday present? A science kit. So I'm planning to open it up with all of you friends today. So let's get it open. So it is. Oh, it's a heart which says thank you for choosing us. It comes with some equipment. It comes with chemicals, colors, and an instruction manual. So we'll look at all of that later. So let's just start by doing one experiment. So which one should we do? Let's do this underwater volcano. It only takes 10 minutes to do it. So we will need a test tube. So let's get all the equipment out. We will need our test tubes. Scoops. We will need our measuring cylinder, very small. We will need the stirring stick, and we'll also need this funnel. So these are all the equipment that we need. Now let's see what material we need. We need citric acid for this citric acid. So we'll take the citric acid here. So this is cornstarch. This is citric acid here. We got the citric acid. We need the baking soda. And we also need red color. Looks like it's not in this packet. I think it's in this packet. Yep. Let's take this red color out. And just so we don't make the mess, this kit comes with a messy mat. So let's spread the messy mat on our table. Lot of the equipment more side equipment side. Okay, now let's get started. So first we need to measure 10 ml of water from the measuring cylinder. We have to put it in the test tube. So here we got a bottle of water. So let's get our measuring cylinder and we have to fill it all the way over here. Let's see. Yep, sounds big enough. Now we need one of our test tubes. Let's open it. Let's get a test tube stand. And we're going to be pouring it in a test tube. Then we need to add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and we have to mix it with the stirring stick. We have a red color. This will have 2 drops. 1. Now let's quickly take our stirring stick. Let's give it a good mix. Mix. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's turning really red. And now my stirring stick is also red. Next, we need to measure vegetable 20 ml from vegetable oil. So these 2 things we will need to hold: water and vegetable oil. So we will need our measuring cup. Where are you? Here is our measuring cup, and this time we need 20, not 10. 20. So carefully. Okay. bit much, so I think this is more. Oopsie, missed a step. So let's get back to that step before we complete it. We need half a scoop of baking soda using the funnel. So let's get our funnel on the test tube. Now let's get our baking soda, which is over here. Now let's get it down. So I need my scooper. So I got my scooper here. Now let's open it up. I think I can help you. Mama, could you help me out with this?
Okay, now we're back and my mom helped me open up this packet. So now we just need half a scoop. Let's just measure it. I think that's half a scoop. Yep, that's pretty much half. It looks a bit. Now we have to put it through the funnel. Now the instructions say to shake the funnel to make sure all the baking soda is in. Good. So now we'll keep the baking soda back. So when my mom was opening it, I already had measured the oil. So we have to take the funnel again. Now we have to take the funnel again. Now we have to just pour it into the test tube. Look how cool this looks. Okay. So next we need again half a scoop of citric acid. So while we were out, we also opened the citric acid. Now let's be careful here. I wanna get acid on our hands. I think that's pretty much half a scoop. And now we have to take the funnel again, and we have to put in there. Now shake it. Quickly, shake. Come on, citric acid. Go. Come on, citric acid has to get in there. I'm just going to pour it. Now, look how this is rising. It's an underwater volcano. Now, isn't this cool? Whoa! There's a messy part. Whoa! It's so cool. It's erupting. I'm going to keep it over here. It is so cool. What? It just keep on pouring down there. I'm so glad we had a messy pad because my table is white. So now we're gonna let this keep erupting while we clear out some space so we can do our next experiment. Wait, before we go to the next one, let's read the science behind it. So, the bubbles of carbon dioxide are released because of the reaction of the citric acid and baking soda. In this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer is thicker. Slowly through the oil layer because of the oil is thicker than water. This property of oil is called divisibility.
Viscosity.
And I don't know if we done it right because that was not slow at all. Anyway, let's move on to the next experiment. At least it erupted like a bomb. Bye. Meet you in the next part where we'll make a bat bomb.